Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is Menka, and in this video we will be getting ready for the festive season by using just one brand. And I know for sure that you guys love my one brand tutorial. So today's one brand is Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is a drugstore brand and it has some amazing products which are so hyped up, and also it's a drugstore brand, guys, so it is in a moderate range. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video and see how we got this look. Starting with a clean face, I've already applied a moisturizer, and for primer today I'll be using this 3-in-1 in the cucumber variant. There's rose variant also, and fanning it off. For foundation I'll be taking this one and striping it across. For tools I have not used Wet n Wild tools. I have used whatever I have, and with this flat kabuki brush I am just blending it off. Guys, you don't have to drag it, but you have to apply it in short strokes. Do not forget your forehead. Next, taking this concealer, I will be applying it on the regular parts. And then blending in. For my eyes, I will be taking this smaller brush so that it gets blended easily. Not to forget your eyelids. And then taking the wet sponge, I will be just applying it so that it's well settled. For cream blush, I have used Give Me Mocha lipstick, and then taking this powder and dusting the extra. I will be applying it under my eyes. For my brows, I'll be taking this pan. The lighter is for the front part and the darker is for the end part. Or if you have lighter brows, you can use the lighter one or darker one, as and how. So I've taken the lighter and applying it on the front part. Guys, it was a task for me, but then I think even I need to upgrade my skills and learn it. With the spoolie, I'm just brushing off the extra color. Now taking the darker part, I'm applying it on the other half of my brows, and again with a spoolie brushing it off. Taking that wax, I am applying it on my brows so that my hair is well settled. For my eyeshadow, I'm taking this Silent Tropical and taking that particular transitional shade as the transition color. Now I'll zoom in. In the windshield wiper motion, I am just applying it as a transitional shade. Taking this purple shade, I am just drawing a winged liner now, and with a small flicking strokes, I am just trying to fill half of my outer eye. Be very patient with it, guys. There's no rush in it. Dusting off the excess, and I'm taking the shade in a smaller quantities. Now going back to the same transitional shade, I'm blending both the shades. So something it will look like this. Again, to the tropical silent shade, I am taking that and applying it on the inner half of my eyes, just like the way you do your cut crease. You can apply it with your fingers also, and blending it. Blending is the skill, as I always say. This is how your eyes will look. Beautiful. Since I didn't have any kohl or liner from Wet n Wild, so I used Maybelline's, and now I'm just applying the same shade on my lower lash line. This is how your eyes will look pretty, no? For mascara, I'll be taking that clear gel mascara. I don't think that's the best one of Wet n Wild, but there are other mascaras which are super good. Since I didn't have them, so I didn't use. Again, going back to that same bronzer and compact combination, I am using it as a bronzer. Now guys, this was not available online anywhere, so I went to Nykaa store and got my hands from there. Just contouring my bronzing or contouring my nose and applying the primer for the last time. Taking the blush, ombre blush, I'm applying it wherever it needs to be applied, and this is my favorite highlighter, and I can dip my entire self into it. It's in the Precious Stone As I said, that all the shades and the names will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Give Me Mocha lipstick, and this is the most best nude shade, and I'm applying it on my lips, and that would complete our look. I hope you enjoyed this video of mine, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you do recreate this look for your festive season, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and I would love to see your recreations. Bye bye, take care, and see you all in my next video, which will be super soon.